welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry I'm coming on here a little bit rough. I had my sister cornrow my hair last night, so it looks a little bit, I look a little bit like a jailbird. But I'm coming on here just to do like a unboxing of this hair that I got from Amazon. So the hair that I'm trying out is called Beauhair. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Beauhair. And this is from Amazon. It comes in, the one I got was a 20, 22, 24, and 18-inch closure. And this came in for only literally $99.99. So basically we're just gonna say $100. And it literally came in one day. Like, I ordered it yesterday morning and it came this morning, so it literally came in one day like it said it would. If you have Amazon Prime, that always comes in handy for, you know, last minute needs. So yeah, let me just go ahead and open up the hair so we can see if it has a smell to it, if it is good quality just by touching it. So here it is. It says 100% unprocessed hair. This is the 20-inch right here. This is the 22-inch. They look really thin. I have to see like what the density is of this, but just by looking at the bundles, they look really thin. Okay, I'm not saying the density of the hair, just the density of the closure. It says the closure is 130% density, but these bundles, I don't know, they just look kind of thin to me, and it could just be because the hair is pretty long. Just pulling it out, it feels really nice. Like, this feels like it is human hair. I've gotten some bundles off Amazon that were just like, I could tell as soon as I pulled it out that it felt like baby doll hair. This hair does feel like it is human hair. It's full all the way to the ends, which is nice. Like, I'm not seeing thin ends. That's good. The goats, like for me, I immediately go to smelling the hair. And this does not have a fishy smell, thank goodness. I cannot stand hair that comes and smells like fish, because I feel like no matter how hard that I wash it or how many times I wash it, that fishy smell is still there. Luckily, this hair does not have a fishy smell, and I'm super happy about that. So far, for $100 for a 20-inch, 22 and 24 inch and an 18-inch closure, I'm feeling like this was worth it. Like, so far I'm not upset about it. It is a natural color, which is nice. It has a good amount of just a little bit of shine to it, and I'm looking forward to, you know, trying this hair out. I am going to install this hair and then come back and show you guys how it looks once it's in and if I'm feeling it. So yeah, so far, oh, let me show you the closure. The closure is pretty well constructed. I am gonna bleach the knots, but it's a 4x4 closure. It's supposed to be 130% density. I think that it's well constructed. It isn't HD. I mean, for $100 for this hair, you can't really say too much. Like, you can't be too picky. But so far, I think that I am very happy with my purchase. And yeah, let me go install it and then come back to you guys so you can see how it looks when it's on my head. Hey guys, I am back. I had this hair installed, and for you it was probably like 2.5 seconds, but I've actually had this hair in for almost a week, and I feel like I'm able to kind of like give a good review on it. I didn't want to get it installed and do a review right away, because most of the time hair is good when it's right out the pack. It's always soft and, you know, silky and nice, but once you've had it in for a couple days, you start to see its true colors. So I just wanted to kind of get through a few days with the hair and then come back and tell you guys my thoughts on it. Yeah, so this hair is from Beauhair, and of course I'll have it linked down below so you guys can check it out. But you guys, this is the best Amazon hair that I have bought so far, and trust me, I've had a good run with some good and bad Amazon hair, but this is by far the best bundles that I've gotten, especially for the price. Like, I spent literally $99.99, so just about $100 on this hair, and it was honestly well worth it. Just to go down the list, it straightens very nice, it's silky, it holds a curl, it doesn't shed that much. It has very minimal shedding. It does shed, but very minimal. My sister who did my hair, she did cut the wefts on the hair, so of course it's gonna shed some, but it's very minimal shedding. It doesn't tangle up, it's true to length, and it doesn't have very thin ends, like it's full all the way to the end. And in the beginning of this video, I did tell you guys that I thought this hair was, when I pulled the bundles out, I thought it was a little bit thin, but this is my first time getting 24-inch bundles. So it was 24, 22, and 20-inch. The longest hair that I've gotten is probably about 20 inches. So my sister was telling me that they do it is a little bit thinner. It just looks thinner, but that's because the length is longer. So yeah, so please disregard me saying that they look thin. It's just that's how it is for the length. But you guys, again, it was $100 for 3 bundles and a closure, so you can't really complain too much. I got a completely glueless closure put in my hair, and this was very nice because I can't really use glues. It breaks me out if I do try and use them. So I had my sister go ahead and do just to install it very glueless. And actually, I'll have a video coming out showing you guys how we did that. It's a gnat in here. The whole install process. So that'll be fun to watch. So please, I don't know if it'll already be out or maybe I'll post it after I post this video. But you guys, I love this hair. Honestly, you should definitely check it out and purchase it, because I promise you, you will not be disappointed. You could use this hair for so many things. You could do a sew-in like I did, or you could do a wig, or you could do a ponytail or something with this hair. But it is honestly way worth my money. And like I said, it came the next day. So if you need hair on in a fast time frame, get this hair, especially if you have Amazon Prime. It'll come the next day. But like I said, I'm very happy with this hair, and I'm just gonna, stand up and kind of show you where it comes to. So it comes to about my hips. That's where it stops on me, and it's just so flowy and nice. And honestly, I just love it. I don't really have anything negative to say about this hair. It didn't come with a smell. It is soft and silky and doesn't shed and is tangle free. It just checks all your boxes. The only thing is, if you're really particular about your closure, I mean, it's not HD or anything, but it gets the job done. Trust me. So if you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below, if you want me to test out any other types of hair or different hairstyles you would like to see from me. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button so that way you'll be notified every time that I post a video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.